Well, I've got it. GoPro Hero 10. So I'll now be running around with two cameras as I'm going around. So yeah, let's unbox it, see what we've got inside, shall we? Been so looking forward to this. Now, I've got the sound adapter that's coming for it too, but that won't be coming until later in the week, I don't think. So I can't do the full setup just yet, but there we go. What have we got? Nice little case, isn't it? Very nice. All nicely laid out inside, all good. So what have we got? Well, we've not got a lot. We've got a bit of cable, got something to stick it onto something with. What else have we got knocking around in here? Got a battery, a connection, that, which I believe would go with the connection, I guess, and what have we got here? And we got the device itself, all sellotaped up. So, yeah. You don't get much, do you, for your money? But never mind. Hopefully, it's going to pay dividends.